Are you dreaming of going to Japan? Here's the full process for your Japan visa documents, explained step by step. It's actually really easy to do it on your own. Let me share my experience with you. So let's get started. You'll need to have all these documents in the first place, just like shown in this screenshot. So take a screenshot of this for your reference later. Now let me walk you through each document one by one. The first document is your passport. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned travel dates, and it needs to have at least 2 blank pages. If you have an old expired passport, keep that as well, since sometimes it's required. Next, we have the photo. Now, unlike in India, Japan has a specific structure for the visa photo. I've attached the details along with my example photo and the correct dimensions. Just visit any studio and request Japan specific photos. You'll need 2 copies. Next is the visa application form. This is one of the most important and slightly tricky steps, but it's actually quite simple. You'll download the form from the VFS Global website. Make sure every detail is accurate. Attach your photo, and wherever a signature is required, be sure to sign it. This is a crucial step, so make sure it's done correctly. And remember, it's one for each person. Next, you need a no objection certificate from your office. First, you'll have to apply for your leave in your company's tool or however you usually request it. Once your leave is approved, you'll need to request the NOC. Just apply for your leave, ask HR for the NOC form, and they'll guide you. Now coming to accommodation. When I applied for my Japan visa, I paid for all my accommodations upfront. I know there's a better option called a dummy booking, where you reserve hotels on booking.com and only pay a day before your stay. I paid upfront and luckily I got the visa with no issue, but don't do that. Always choose a dummy accommodations. Next is the cover letter. It's simply a statement of the purpose of your visit. I've attached a screenshot showing an example of what you can write. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just for YouTube, I created this design. You can use the content as a basis and customize it. State your travel dates, your itinerary, mention your job, and that you'll return to work. Next, you'll need your bank statements and your income tax returns. Ideally, include the last 2 years of your ITR and the past 6 months of bank statements. It's really good to have a healthy balance in your account. Also, don't forget to include your Form 16. Another important thing is your flight booking. You can secure a flight booking without immediate payment, essentially holding the seat. In my case, I paid upfront and kept a buffer in case I needed to reschedule. But you should avoid paying for the flight until your visa is approved. If you work with an agency, they can often arrange these dummy bookings for you. Itinerary is another crucial part. You need to show a detailed plan of all the days you'll spend in Japan, what you'll do each day. This form is also available on the VFS Global website. You can download it and fill it out. Once all of that is ready, you can book your slot on the VFS Global website at your nearest center. If not, I'll also explain how to do it through an agency and share my own experience in part 2. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.